me get my boots on, dog. You wanna go outside? Yeah, let's do it. Time to go feed some critters. Is it? Yeah, it is. That's awesome. Ladies, what? Hungry? Is it time yet? Yeah, pretty close. Pretty close. Missing out, Helen. Here. Get you some. Let's go fill these bad boys up. Take this. There's a trick to opening this. I could never really get it right. Just learned how to do it recently. Oh. Did I not do it right? Damn it. if I can do it right on the first try. Don't think so. That's not the right side. Maybe it is this side. Does it even matter what side? Or am I just doing it blatantly wrong? For the longest time, I was just carrying a knife, just cutting it open with a knife. There we go. Not too easy with the camera. There we go. Lock them up. Too kind when it comes to sharing. The girls are. Are you girls? So fuzzy. Let's get some water. Goats are fed. Birds are fed. Just gonna get some water. Actually, think I can get out of the back? Carson, what are you doing? What are you doing, puppy? What are you doing? You're a good boy. All right, boy. Get you some. What's up?
The board is frozen into the ground.
Right.
Don't want to break that.
No. So what do you think? Just fill it?
I think so, yeah. I mean, the stuff mostly settles on the bottom. But...
Yeah. Helen's, why don't you let me in over here? Make it easy. I'm not trying to do it over the fence. Gracias. Ladies, nice little swamp you got going on back here. May I? Nobody even walks back here. That's what I'm saying. Like, if you get a more narrow run, they'll be happy as a clam.
Yeah. Well, it'd be nice to have it be more round. Because I was thinking about this. The corners is where they could trap each other, right?
Are we talking about chickens or goats?
Anybody. Anybody. So if, like, somebody doesn't get along with somebody else, they can get trapped in the corner and kind of beat up.
Yeah.
So I was thinking if we kept everything kind of roundish, they can always get away.
Or we can make it an octagon and make them fight to the death.
Yeah, that sounds reasonable. Yeah.
2 chickens in the octagon, brother. Who's gonna come out? I think that's legit. Octagon.
Pretty much round.
We are getting rid of this thing though, right?
Yeah. Well, we'll probably use some of it for enclosing a new round bale eventually.
Right.
Especially these shorter pieces.
Okay.
But yeah, right now it's frozen into the ground. And the chickens play in there.
Are you gonna take them out?
Huh?
Are you gonna take them out tonight?
No. They're around.
Okay. Speaking of, do you want me to move this over there so you can hang your food?
That'd be cool. Yeah.
That bucket's green. Our food is in a bucket that's green. That's our food.
Green means goat.
Sorry, ladies. That's not what that is. poop. Better be fertile grounds here in springtime. Fertile Myrtle. Wow. The hook you had here, it was in.
Yeah.
Just gave up on us. Right? What else do I have to do out here? What other things do we got to do? Right. What time is it? About 4 o'clock? Probably got, I don't know, an hour left of daylight. Chicken. I forgot the cup
In the garage?
at the car. What you got? What you got? Little buddy eating by himself. You want to give me a hand? These cats love to hop in my car. Dudes. What you doing, dudes? Right? Which cat is this?
Fiddler.
Of course. This is heavy.
I know.
Very heavy.
I've carried it many times. You want me to move it?
No. No. If you want to take this one. Take this one. Crumple, 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 crumple. Under the knees. Is this a bag of scratch greens?
Yeah.
Cool.
I said we should check the garage.
Yep.
Wild birds would eat the scratch greens.
For sure. I mean, it's just seeds and corn and stuff. Isn't that what they eat normally? I don't know. Where do you want this thing?
On the four-wheeler?
On the four-wheeler?
That's what I've been doing.
What about the one that's already open?
On the four-wheeler.
You want them both on the four-wheeler?
Yeah. I'm not going to open that one, so the other one's coming.
Okay. Ooh. Forgot about that. these and those. Got some garage cleaning that needs to happen soon. Cassie, where'd you go? Do you need me to leave this garage door open? You don't need any alfalfa to bring in the house? I see it. I see it. Oh, it's so dangerous though. Let's empty it out. So I left this rain catch hooked up over winter. Mistake. Year one mistake. Rookie move. Yeah, that sucks.
Just leave it.
Yeah.
Leave it to drip. So what are you supposed to do with it? Just put the gutter back on, like, or the downspout back on like normal?
You know,
Seems like a waste.
well, I think what I should have done is what you had suggested and have multiple barrels, right? So that even if it was to drain, it wouldn't have been just into one barrel.
Right.
So I think there should be multiple barrels that they're going into.
Yeah.
And that way you would still have some overflow. You could bleed it out.
Yeah.
Bleed it out by the end of summer or fall. And then it's bled, and if anything, goes into it,
Okay.
the thaws, you would fill.
Yeah.
I don't think I bled it.
Let it. You mean use the water?
Well, I sometimes, if I know that it's going to be full, if it's too full, and we're not going to be watering anything, I just bleed it and put it.
That just means that we need an overflow. You just need it attached to an overflow so you don't have to think about it.
1,000%.
So it overflows into another barrel, and then another barrel, and then another barrel, and then it overflows into a dish or something.
Yeah.
Then we have a large supply.
Yeah.
Have them ready.
I still would like to make this area a garden. It's just, it wants it so bad. Even when things are draining, it's...
Yeah, it'd have to be plants that tolerate very wet soil.
Yeah.
Because it was very wet a lot of the time. It did dry out eventually.
Do you need me to grab any alfalfa? Need me to grab anything else?
No. I'm gonna leave Flint out until it gets a little colder.
Okay. It's not bad. It's not bad.
That's gonna be nice glass tonight.
Right. Chores done.